looking at our drawing set, we do have a specification for our columns. So it's asking for a 152.4 by 152.4, okay, or any of this. Now, like I said, the nice thing about Revit is that you can always update that. So let's go back to our file, okay, and load, if it's not loaded yet, the HS152. So currently, we don't have that here. We do have a 1 or 15.9 by 15.9. So let's see. Is that one of the, yeah, it's actually here. So 152 by 15.9. But what we have here is a .355, okay? So we need a 152 loaded. So let's go here. Again, check the structural column. And then under steel, select this HSS hollow structural section. A nice list of columns are going to be shown. So we're going to look for the HSS. So we have here the 355. We're looking for the 15.9. So 15, oops, let's see. It's 152, sorry, 152.4 by 15.9. So 152.4, okay, and then it should be 15.9. Here you go. Either 15.9 or 7.9. So you can load multiple selections by holding down the control key. So there's the 7, but that's not anymore 152, right? So 152 by 7.9 here, okay? So hold down the control key and select that, right? So if you want to load another like 12.7, yeah, there it is. Hold down the control key. And if you want to load the 9.5 as well, yeah, hold down the control key. Okay. Click OK, and it gets loaded. And then what we can do is, we can select all of this, filter, check none, select the structural columns. Now, there's a problem though. The piers are also selected and they are also categorized as structural columns. So what can we do? Well, we're going to go to our right side view, okay, and only select, remember, we are still in a 3-dimensional view. Even if we are in the right side view, this is still a model versus going to the elevation. So we'll filter, check none, select structural column. This time the piers are not being selected. So click OK, and then change this to the new, well, let's select 12.7. Going back to a 3D view. Okay, that's much thinner now. And likewise, let's see if there's a specification for our piers. So it doesn't look like there's one here. So you can go back out and check the other sheets. So it doesn't look like there's any specification for the piers, like the size of the pier. So we're good. Okay, only the steel column was specified, nothing for the concrete piers. Okay, let's just double check. Nothing here. Zoom out. Yeah. So these are the specification for the beams, which we are going to be doing next. So we're now good with our columns. Nothing else to add. Let's see. What do we have here? These are strip footings and, oh, there you go, piers and pads. Okay, so for the piers and pads, looks like we're required to do a 275 by 275. Okay, so we're going to do that next.